Oh, my love, welcome back to my channel. Within the next 30 days, you're going to quantum leap into your life if you follow step-by-step guidance I have for you in this video. So this video is going to change your life if you just watch to the end and let it guide you through your next step in life if you want to manifest your dreams fast. My name is Shadia Miri, and every single day I help beautiful people in my tribe quantum leap into their dream life. And they all see nothing but miracle from doing these methods. I manifested my own dream life in less than 1 year. And when I say in less than a year, in 2 months, in 6 months, some of them in 2 weeks, and some of them in 6 days, because I have a very powerful, proven step-by-step method, which is guaranteed. And if you use it, you're going to start manifesting within 2 days, which is magical, and it is guaranteed. If you want to follow my step-by-step method, there is a free webinar in the description below this video. It's free. You can go ahead and watch it and find out for yourself how you can do it. And let's get to the quantum leap method, which you can use for your own life. You know, people talk about the law of attraction, but the point of manifestation has many things to do with law of attraction, but that's not it. There is a lot more to it. Law of attraction suggests that likes attract like. The main thing you need to know here is that if you want to manifest, you have to keep in mind there is another version of you. There is another person exactly like you living in another dimension, the exact dream life you are trying to achieve in this life. So if you want to achieve your dream life, you have to quantum leap in that dimension and meet that version of you. But you have to match them energetically so you can get guidance from them. The secret to becoming a manifestation magnet is to rapidly quantum leap, which means you have to stay in that frequency at all times so they can guide you throughout your life journey so you can get to that dream life on planet Earth in this dimension of life. So let's say in life, you're currently in a very certain vibration energy, and that energy gives you the feeling of I'm not enough, I don't have enough. You're always going to get not enough. You're always going to be not enough. But if you do quantum leap rapidly, you're going to be connected to the other version of you who is living in another dimension through a cord. And that cord, which is a silver cord, which is very powerful, is going to feed you with their energy, which is going to guide you through the next step towards your manifestation. Every decision you have to make, every step of your life, they're going to tell you in your heart what you have to do. And that is what we call gut feeling. But this gut feeling is different than what you have right now. If you're in a lower frequency, your gut feeling is just something that your brain tells you and it's not real. But when you're connected to that vibration through a silver cord, you're going to know that gut feelings are clear, like beautiful, like heaven. You can see the next step. So I'm going to give you a practice that you might have never done before. It might even sound funny to you, but we're going to use the portal method plus the quantum leap method, which is both going to make a magic happen for you. First thing you need to do is to write down a day of your desired life as a story. Just take a piece of paper and start writing a day of your life as if you already manifested all that you want to have. The best and the most happiest version of you. How does she wake up? How does she feel when she wakes up? How does she look like when she looks at herself in the mirror? Who's her dream partner beside her when she wakes up, if that's what you're trying to manifest? How much money does she have in her bank account? Just include everything in the scenario of one day. You log into your bank account, you see the amount of money that you want to have. Maybe in that story, you're going to include you come back home from work and at night you have a celebration with your family because you're all healthy. You all had a doctor checkup and everyone is healthy and you're celebrating that. So include in everything that you want to have as a story. And then I want you to add 3 emotions, feelings you get after you read that story. How do you feel when you become that person? How does that person, that story makes you feel like? Happy, joyful, full of excitement, healthy, whatever that is, write it down, 3 emotions. And then I want you to record your voice on your phone reading that story and include the emotions in the middle of the story. So as you're reading, you tell yourself, I feel so joyful because I woke up in the morning and this happened. I feel so healthy because I had my doctor test examination and everything is good. Include in the emotions in the stories as you're reading it to yourself and recording your voice. And even though I said this is going to work within 30 days, this is going to work instantly. As soon as you do this practice, you're going to feel connected to that other version of you who's living your dream life in the other dimension. The practice I want you to do every single day. If you can't do it using the portal method, that would be great. So the portal method happens in the washroom for this practice. You go in the washroom, you take your phone with your recorded voice on it. You go to the washroom, you stand beside the toilet, and then you're going to start telling yourself, as soon as I walk out of this washroom, after I flush the toilet, all my blockages will be flushed down through this toilet. I have no more blockages in my being, in my energy anymore. As you have your eyes closed, you're going to flush the toilet, imagining all your blockages, all the dark energies are going out of your body down the toilet. And then you're going to open the door of the washroom, which is the portal you're going to walk out. Whenever you walk out of the door, that works as a universal quantum portal, your mind will be transferred. Your thought is going to be transferred. So as soon as you open the door, I want you to play that sound which you read to yourself, this story. You're going to start listening to that. You're going to walk out of the washroom, close the door. So the blockages are in the washroom, down the toilet, no longer with you. And as soon as you walk out, you carry out with you the best version of you who you want to become. And you're listening to this story. After you walk out of the washroom, sit somewhere in a very comfortable position, close your eyes, listen to this story, try to take in all the emotions, and do this for 30 days. When I say 30 days again, you're going to be connected to that version of you within 2 days. Now, after you're done hearing this story, keep your eyes closed. Tell the other version of you, my beautiful higher self who's living my dream life, please guide me through the next steps. I want to feel, see, and hear your guidance through my day-to-day life. And always keep in mind, whenever you're taking the quantum leap, so you practice this every single day, after 2 or 3 days, very soon, you're going to be facing a very big decision in your life. A big change will happen. The things that no longer serve you are going to exit your life, leaving room for the things that are now supposed to enter your life. So you're going to be facing a big change after doing this practice. Several days into this, a big decision will come your way. I want you to get help from your higher self. Do this practice more and more when you face that decision. Ask your higher self to guide you through the decision and help you become the best version of yourself and achieve your dreams. Before you leave this video, don't forget to leave a comment. I claim it because it's karma. If you want to learn how to manifest your dreams very fast, all dreams at the same time, the free webinar is for you. Go ahead and watch it. This is going to change your life forever. And if you want to keep this quantum leap energy for yourself at all times in the best possible way, download the free PDF in the description, which says Moon Rituals, because it's going to tell you what to do and not to do on the days of the full moon, which has a lot of effect on your energy. And if you're doing this practice, you need that clear energy. You don't need the interruption of the full moon. So download that free PDF and do that every full moon that comes your way. And also watch the free webinar. It's free. It's going to tell you step-by-step secrets that you can manifest your dreams in 2 weeks, in 6 days, in 18 days, like very fast. Make me happy by subscribing to my channel. Like this video. I would love to see if you like my practices and you like my energy. I'm going to get more energy to do more videos for you and teach you more about manifestation. I love you. I'm rooting for you. And I will see you next week. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so you'll be notified when I post my next videos. Take care. Goodbye.